In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add login page in Wix website. So first of all, come to their dashboard and make sure to select your correct site where you want to add your login page. Once you select your site, then click on edit site from here. Now it will take you to the Wix editor from where you can add our login page. So we need to go to the left panel and now click on this add elements icon. Once we click on it, we need to go to the community section. So here it is, we need to select it, and now under it we need to select login bar, and here we need to click on this member name. Once we click on it, now it will add a element on your site. We just need to place it where we want to place it. So I want to place my login page on this side, so I just need to place it here. And now to edit everything related to our login page, we need to firstly select this element, and now it will show you bunch of options here. Firstly, we need to click on setup login bar, and then it will show you this window. So here we can edit settings for our login bar. So first one is logged in. So whenever someone comes first time on your website, then they will see this interface. So you can choose your login bar style. So if you want to have a avatar for your login bar, then you can see the avatar has been changed here. If you want only text, then you can select it. If you want avatar, then you can go with it. So I am happy with avatar, and now you can choose everything according to your need. You can also increase the size of your avatar. You can also come down, and now if you want to change this arrow type to full, then you can select it. You can increase the size of it. You can also choose your alignment. Also you can choose your drop down menu, and now if you want to change your logout text, then you can change it as well, but I don't want to change it. I'm just happy with it. Now we need to go to the logout section here, and here you can choose your appearance as well. You can also choose to have custom image for their avatar. So if you select custom here, then your viewer can upload their custom image for their profile icon. So that's why I'm selecting custom here, and now you can adjust the size, and now you can also change the login button text here. Once you set all of your settings for login bar, just close this window and now click on this drop down arrow next to the eye icon, then click on preview as test site, and now it will give you this window. Here click on create test site, and then it will show you the test site for your website. Now this is the test site. So whenever someone comes on my website for the first time, they will see this interface. Now to log in, they can simply click on login icon here, which I have added on my website, and from here they can sign up with their Google account, Facebook account, or even with their email. So I'm just going with Google here, and then I can simply select my Google account here, and that's how they can sign in on my website. Now to log out, they can click on their profile icon and the logout option will appear here. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.